Hello kids, I am Riya and welcome back to the rhyme class. So today we are going to learn another English rhyme and the name of the rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. So let's do it with action. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So let's do it once again. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.